dreaming of owning a home but worried about the down payment? With Van Dyke Mortgage's no down payment mortgage programs, you can make that dream a reality without the upfront cost. Explore various loan options tailored to your needs. Veterans Affairs loans and United States Department of Agriculture loans typically require no down payment. Federal Housing Administration loans need only 3.5%. Plus, several assistance programs can help cover down payments and closing costs, making homeownership more accessible. Our programs offer flexible credit requirements and fast, hassle-free approval. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking to upgrade, our competitive rates and easy application process make homeownership more attainable than ever before. Take the first step toward your new home today. Contact Kate Deiboldt at 931-980-9764 to learn more about qualifying for this incredible opportunity. Start your journey to home ownership with ease and confidence.